Sway (SUI) is a high-performance Layer 1 blockchain designed for fast, secure, and scalable decentralized applications (dApps). It was developed by Mission Labs, a team that includes former Meta, Facebook, employees who worked on the DM, Libra, blockchain project. Sway launched its mainnet in May 2023. Features of Sway blockchain. 1. High speed and scalability. Uses a delegated proof-of-stake (DPS) consensus mechanism. Achieves low latency and high throughput, up to 100,000 plus TPS in theory. Processes transactions in parallel, unlike sequential processing in many blockchains. 2. Move programming language. Uses Move, a Rust-based language originally developed for DM, Libra. Focuses on secure smart contracts by preventing common vulnerabilities like reentrancy attacks. 3. Object-centric data model. Unlike Ethereum's account-based model, Sway organizes data as independent objects, improving efficiency. Allows for dynamic NFTs and flexible asset management. 4. Low-cost transactions. Optimized for mass adoption with minimal gas fees. Uses storage fund incentives *** to keep costs stable. 5. Horizontal scaling. Supports infinite validator nodes, reducing bottlenecks. Can handle high demand without congestion. SUI tokenomics. Total supply, 10 billion SUI. Use cases. Staking and governance, holders can vote on upgrades. Transaction fees, gas payments. Developer incentives, funding dApps. Sway ecosystem. Sway supports DeFi, e.g., Citus, Navi Protocol. NFTs in gaming, e.g., Swayfriends, Panzerdogs. Web3 infrastructure, e.g., Wormhole, Oracle PyTH. Where to buy SUI. Available on major exchanges like Binance, OKX, Bybit, KuCoin, and Coinbase. Conclusion. Sway is a next-gen blockchain focusing on speed, scalability, and security, making it a strong competitor to Solana and Aptos. Its parallel processing and Move language make it attractive for developers building high-performance dApps.